I know 100% that this is going to be a great video, and make sure you watch this entire video. And if YouTube turn off the comments, I will be really annoyed. Anyways guys, welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast review. Today we'll be taking a closer look at M Fast Fong, which is the next generation racer for Rev N Go. Of course, this is one of the last ones we need. We only need 2 now, apart from JP Drive, which we know we will not get released. We need Jim Reverick and, of course, Nick Shift, or Swift. Well, how you pronounce his name, I don't know. But yes, this is the second new release next gen for 2021. First one being Will Rouge, and of course we're going to be taking a closer look at M Fast Fong, and I think M Fast Fong is a better looking diecast. I like the bright green colour. I don't really like purple, but that's just my opinion, of course. But anyways, without further ado, and let's blabbering on, let's start off this review of M Fast Fong. So I got this from 2021 Singles Case F from Get Me Collectibles, and of course Gen Dams, the reliable sources, UK and US sellers. We can see the name tag here, M Fast Fong, and again, everyone always thought that this was the go, like the Shooter the Rookie Pity. Incorrect. Like everyone, oh my god, M Fast Fong is the Shooter Rookie Pity. Have you heard that the M Fast Fong is going to be Shooter Rookie Pity? No guys, you don't understand logic. Like, that is a Disney docket prediction. It means one person's prediction. It doesn't mean anything. And I'm glad that M Fast Fong is the next generation Rev N Go Racer, because it proves people wrong. I'm not saying proves Disney docket wrong. I'm just proving the people that thought it was just a prediction. Like, a prediction means it's one person's prediction. Like, some people can predict the same, but yeah, I'm not going to talk about that. Let's continue with the news review. Mattel logo 3+. Love that artwork. If you want to screenshot this picture right here, you can, because you can use the artwork for your videos. I know you guys like artworks. New for 2021, Cars logo, metal. On the back, I've already explained all of these. Next review will be on Blind Spark, which of course is the other new one. And let's lower the camera down now a little bit and actually take a closer look at M Fast Fong. So here is M Fast Fong. If I do actually add a picture, I will, but because he's a racer, I probably will not. Here he is. We can see the usual angry expression of the next gen racer. You can see the fenders and the sides. We see the little yellow bumper and green bumper at the front. Lights, moustache with the nose. We got the diamond plate button or things around his diecast, which looks amazing. Rev N Go, and we've got the arrow there, and you can see the sponsor. Pretty cool. The eyes are now part of the body, which is pretty cool, and the window bar. So this is like one whole diecast apart from the wheels and the spoiler, which I'm actually really glad. 73 for the roof in this green colour, and of course you've got the roof flaps, and on the yellow hood you can see the little arrows as well. You can see the window bars, which is now metal. Rev N Go spoiler, which looks pretty cool. On the side, not too blurry decals like your rims. Got the arrow to indicate to Pity where to lift them up. Exhaust pipes, 73 in yellow. Like it how it's like two-tone and they change to 73. Rev N Go, piston cup, combustor cover side with synergy. There's the fuel cap. There's the arrow again. Wiki stripes, mandatory for all the next gens because they're rookies. Rear lights, Rev N Go, 73. And here is the base, PO1A, because it's the first car released in 2021. Now you might be wondering, what was that in the background? Well, this is the actual tractor that was released before the diecast. Yes, I know, Mattel seems to release things before the diecast, but you can see the differences now. I guess that means the hood here. You see that they are two different colours, so don't know what's going up there. Here's the back. Seems to be a different colour. But yeah, of course, here is the other Piston Cup racers, Misty. Or what is to believe to be Misty. Still not named. You can see how dramatically changed it's gone from Cars 3 stock car to Cars 3 next gen. And of course, we've got the Misty from 1970. It looks pretty cool. Anyways guys, if you are new, make sure you subscribe for my next video on Blind Spark, coming soon. Still need to record that. Of course, if you are new, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below. Of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.